In the global race between injections and infections, millions have now been vaccinated against the COVID virus. In China, where it first appeared, more than 20 vaccines are in production, several approved and now being sent abroad.
Big problem.
The governor of Brazil's most populous state says he'll try to force people to have one of the Chinese vaccines next month, in a country with the second highest death toll in the world after the US. Yet China hasn't finished trials for its key vaccines.
We haven't seen that yet.
But scientists also acknowledge the urgent demand.
There's no border to this pandemic, and there shouldn't be a border to the vaccine.
Russia's Sputnik vaccine is another shot in the dark. Its final clinical trial results still unpublished.
It doesn't mean that the vaccines are unsafe. And I would argue that to make that assumption is a terrible mistake.
But many Russians are skeptical.
I think it's dangerous.
I'm scared of this very much.
And maybe I'll take it, yeah, why not?
Yet the European vaccine maker, AstraZeneca, has signed a deal with Russia to develop vaccines. The Pfizer vaccine, which needs ultra-cold storage, may never reach the poorest parts of the world. Many countries can't afford costly Western vaccines.
There is a need for the world to receive this vaccine. There should be access everywhere.
Devra pouvoir avoir accès.
Which is why G20 leaders pledged last month to share vaccines with poorer nations.
The Chinese virus.
But vaccine nationalism won't end soon. Who was first? Whose is the best? Who's the most generous? The race is still on as the virus mutates and thousands die by the day. Never before has the whole world set out to vaccinate its population. But with rich countries making and buying up most of the vaccines, it could be years before millions in developing nations get one. And the problem for us? Well, no one is safe until we're all safe. Bill Neely, NBC News, London.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.